Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 26. How to place equipment with handles in front of a guest. Meticulous tray handling. Carry all equipment with handles on your tray with utmost care, ensuring stability and avoiding any accidents. Thoughtful underliner placement. Place the plate on an underliner in front of the guest, approximately 1 inch away from the edge of the table. The underliner provides an added layer of protection and complements the presentation of the equipment. Parallel handle orientation. Ensure that all handles on the equipment are placed parallel to the guest's body. This alignment ensures convenience and comfort for the guest when using the equipment. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.